There is more to the 2026 Porsche Motorhome than just an RV. Because of its curved carbon fiber bodywork, this car is easy to identify as a unique kind. In its breathtaking look, its aerodynamic, low-slung profile and unique Porsche design language are fully displayed, from the instantly identifiable headlight form to the smooth, pop-out door handles. This is not just a show, it's a performance. An amazing 950 horsepower is produced by a powerful, all-electric drivetrain that includes 2 motors beneath the body. The quick torque of the potent EV system allows this opulent residence on wheels to go from 0 to 60 km per hour in an incredible 4.9 seconds. Thanks to a new solid-state battery, this campervan fulfills its promise of adventure with the speed and economy you would expect from a Porsche. As soon as you step inside the cockpit, you are thrust into a world of advanced technology. The dashboard has a single, sweeping OLED monitor that displays your speed and remaining range in addition to a 360-degree autonomous driving interface. The Alcantara-wrapped steering wheel, which is based on the 918 Spider, has integrated media and navigation systems. AI-powered voice commands allow you to find yourself, operate the living space, and adjust the temperature without ever taking your hands off the wheel. The massaging sports seat and the full electronic adjustment of the driver's seat make even the longest rides feel simple. Outside the cockpit, the living space is a simple luxury treasure. The inside walls are decorated with high-tech smart glasses that can be adjusted to give a panoramic view of your surroundings or covered for privacy. Examples of modular furniture include a sofa that electrically retracts to create more floor space and a dining table that easily folds into the wall. A luxury and tranquil atmosphere is created by the use of soft vegan leather, brushed metal, and natural wood on all surfaces. The entire RV is transformed into a private performance space with a state-of-the-art sound system, and the space is kept clutter-free using motorized cabinets and concealed compartments. When you need to unwind, the master bedroom offers a tranquil haven. A king-sized bed with an orthopedic mattress is located in a peaceful area. A nice and peaceful night's sleep is ensured by the soundproof walls of the bedroom. Because it can be retractable, a 55-inch OLED screen at the foot of the bed is perfect for watching movies at night. A realistic night sky is projected onto the ceiling when the smart glass windows are in the starlight mode, creating a serene ambience. The bathroom is where the RV's high-tech sophistication is most apparent. A computerized control panel may be used to accurately manage the temperature, pressure, and even the steam function of a huge walk-in shower. The toilet is a heated, self-cleaning machine, and the vanity includes an illuminated mirror with integrated facial recognition. Every surface is composed of a seamless, smooth composite material that perfectly captures Porsche's distinct blend of design and utility. In addition to being aesthetically pleasing, it is also quite simple to maintain and clean. The galley kitchen is a chef's dream since it blends style and utility. Beneath a sleek black granite countertop is a tiny, deep basin sink with an intelligent faucet and a retractable 2-burner induction cooktop. The refrigerator and full-sized freezer complement the cabinets. Making delicious meals is made easy with a microwave and convection oven combined, while ingenious storage ideas keep all of your equipment and utensils close at hand yet hidden. The kitchen at the Porsche Motorhome is the ideal example of how sophisticated design can be enjoyed without sacrificing comfort.